Okay, what we have on the screen is called simultaneous equation. So what this means really is that we need to solve for both variables at the same time. So we're going to come to this equation. We're going to say that y is also equal to 2x minus 7. Then in this equation, everywhere we see y, we're going to replace it with 2x minus 7. So it's going to be x squared, I want to write a negative there. It will be x squared minus x, 2x minus 7 plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 7 squared is equals to 15. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to say that x squared minus x squared 2x squared, doing that, plus 7x plus, first I'm going to say 2x times 2x is 4x squared, 2 times 7 is negative 14x, negative 14x, right? And then 7 times 7, don't crack your skull, take out your calculator, is 49, so it's plus 49, and we close the bracket, right? Then we need to still multiply the 3 into this bracket, so we're going to say x squared minus 2x squared plus 7x, then 4 times 3 is positive 12x squared, then 14 plus 14 multiplied by 3 is 84 minus 84x, right? Then we have 49 multiplied by 3, which is positive 147. All of that is equals to 15. Okay, then we go for our like terms, right? That's a like term, and 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 then that's a like term, right? So we say 12x squared minus 2x squared plus x squared, right? We put it in bracket like that so you can see those are like terms. Then we have 7x minus 84x. Put that in bracket as well. Those are like terms. Then we have plus 147 minus 15 equals 0. Hope you're still following. That is also like terms. Okay, so 12 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11x squared. Then 7 minus 84, it's a negative 77x. Then 147 minus 15 is equals to positive 132, which that is equals to 0. Right? Now we need to factorize and find the factors of x. But 132, you can't divide 132 by 11. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to divide the whole equation by 11 also on this side. So I'm going to have x squared minus 77 divided by 11 is equals to negative 7x. Then 132 divided by 11 is positive 12, which is equal to 0. Okay, what factors can give me negative 7 when they are added or subtracted together, and also can give me 12, right? Which is 4 and 3. So open bracket x and x here, close bracket. So I have positive here and a negative here, so I can say negative 3 and I can say negative 4, right? 4 times 3 is 4, 8, 12. So x will equal to 3 and x will equal to 4. Sorry, ran out of space there. Okay, there's no way I can bring the page down. Let me try and zoom out like that. There we go. Okay, I hope you can still see. Then remember our equation 3. This was our equation 3. We said that y is equal to 2x minus 7. So 2 times 3 minus 7, which is 2 times 3 is 6 minus 7 is negative 1. And also y is equal to 2x minus 7, which is 2 multiplied by 4 minus 7, which is positive 1. This way we have solved both equations simultaneously, getting the answer of x equals 3 or x equals 4 or y equals 1 or y equals negative 1.